Hey everyone, welcome back. Spaghetti carbonara has got to be one of my favourite pastas to eat. Now, before I get roasted by any Italians or hardcore carbonara fans, I need to mention this is not how authentic carbonara is made. Traditionally, it's made with guanciale, which is cured pork, lots of ground black pepper, and the sauce is made by combining egg yolks, parmesan and pecorino cheese, and a little bit of pasta water. This recipe I'm about to show you is how I like to eat it, and I suppose a more modernised version. It does use cream instead of eggs and includes garlic, which is generally a big no-no. We're using bacon today, but if you don't eat pork, you can substitute it with chicken. This recipe will be enough for about 2 people, depending on how much you eat. Alright, let's begin. Start with a pot of boiling water and drop in roughly 200 grams of dry spaghetti. Stir it in so it's submerged, let it cook, and occasionally stir it so it doesn't stick. Normally when cooking pasta, you would add some salt to the water. I don't when I'm making carbonara, as the ingredients we're using are already quite salty, and it's better to season at the end. Roughly chop 4 to 5 strips, or around 200 grams of bacon. You can add more if you want. I'm using streaky, but you can use whichever. Finally dice 1/4 of a medium-sized onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Heat a pan at low to medium heat, add some oil, and start off with the bacon. We only want to slightly cook the bacon here without adding too much colour. The reason we don't want too much colour on the bacon is because we want to achieve a nice white creamy sauce. If you brown the bacon, it will darken the sauce. Add the onions, then the garlic, and lightly saute. Again, not too much colour. Now don't forget about the spaghetti, as it should almost be done by now. Remember, you want your pasta to be al dente. Best way to check is to scoop some up and try it. Should be cooked through, but firm. I will mention that you can pre-cook your pasta before starting your sauce. If I'm cooking for more than 2 people, I will pre-cook the pasta first. Simply cook it, drain, run under cold water to stop the cooking process, and top with some oil to stop it from sticking. Put it to the side or in the fridge and grab it when you're ready. Add 300 ml of full fat cream, season with cracked pepper, and reduce to thicken. If you end up reducing it too much, don't freak out, just add a little bit more cream to help thin it out. When the sauce gets to this stage, you can lower the heat as it's almost ready. Add a big pinch of Parmesan to the sauce. This will help thicken, but also add to the richness. I'm using freshly grated Parmesan, but you can use powdered as well. Remember to taste your sauce before adding the spaghetti, and if you need to add some salt, this is when you do it. I didn't need any salt as the seasoning was perfect as is. Add your spaghetti, stir, toss, and allow spaghetti to absorb that beautiful creamy white sauce. Finish off with some freshly chopped parsley, give it another stir and a toss. You can now turn the heat off, and your pasta should look something like this. Spaghetti should be well coated in that beautiful white creamy sauce. And we're ready to plate. just before you serve, finish off with some freshly ground black pepper and another pinch of Parmesan. Alright guys, it's as easy as that. My twist, my take on beautiful, delicious restaurant quality spaghetti carbonara. Give it a try today and let me know what you think. That's it for this episode. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.